Okay, my name's Gilbert Brandt, and this video is SEO Google YouTube Video Business Marketing Expert Cover Letter. Now, you notice I don't rank here for this search term, and if you take off cover letter and leave SEO for that, I don't rank for that either. But watch this. This is a search of 3 million. Now, you delete those two words, and you go YouTube Video Business Marketing Expert. 48 million searches. I'm on the front page for Google for that. I'm on the front page of YouTube for that. I'm number one video there, number three video, and there's my YouTube page. Now, take off this. Google Business Market, YouTube Video Business Marketing Expert. 4 million for that search. Number one on the front page, 91 million. Let's keep going. Video Business Marketing Expert. Number one on the front page there. Number one, two, three on the front page. And there's my resume. If you want to find out a little bit more about what I do, watch that video and that'll tell you more SEO stuff. But that's for a search right here of 316 million. Now let's say you wanted to rank for organic clothing store, Colorado. Right here, this is the Google 3-pack. I can get you to the top of the Google 3-pack. Google's only got about 10 rules. It's one of the easier things. It's not as easy for me to rank as YouTube, but in 30 to 90 days, I can have you at the front. But I scroll down here. Best organic clothing company in Denver, Colorado. You hit Yelp right here. Now, there isn't one piece of clothing listed here. They only got three, and none of them are organic clothing. So anything in the organic clothing for Colorado, you can put here. You don't have any competition at all. Now let's scroll back here a little bit, and let's take this search down to organic clothing for sale. You'll notice 9 million searches for Colorado, 142 million searches here. This would be hard for somebody to rank at, or a lot of work. I still could rank you there. But let's go to videos. Organic clothing for sale. Here's the videos. I could definitely put a video on this page. If I put up 10 videos, I'd take over this whole page. No problem at all. Now, let me go to another search because we'll stick on organics. Organic beauty products for sale in Chicago. Again, I could rank you on the map. Good SEO, the first thing he's going to do is give you a website audit. Same thing here. 10 best natural beauty products. There's like 17 listings and only about 5 of them are beauty products. So if you want to be on the front page for Chicago, you can put it there and your Yelp ad will come up and you'll rank for Chicago for that sale. Now, we're going to get to social media in just a second here. Now you go organic beauty products for sale. Same thing here. You click over to videos. I can rank a video. I could take over this whole front page. No problem. I put up a video. My videos are usually on the front page in 10 minutes to an hour. The longest it's taken me to get a video to the front page is three and a half days. Now, organic grocery stores. I wanted to show you because how important social media is. Now you go to organic grocery stores, because I live from Iowa, by default it's showing me grocery stores in the area, and these two, neither one of these sell any organic produce, but by default they're the closest. But here's one that really surprised me. Omaha is only coming up by default because it's probably the closest. But here's Yelp again. Well, Huffington Post. Whole Foods right here. I did a website audit on Whole Foods. Whole Foods had 800,000 followers on Facebook had over 4 million followers on Twitter, and all totaled, they had a little over 5 million uh, social media interactions. Well, out of that 5 million, if you look and see how many backlinks they got 1,100,000 and some odd number of backlinks. Well, over a million of them backlinks came from social media, the Yelp and the Facebook page. That's how important social media is to your business. Now, getting on the front page, a good SEO and cover letter, the first thing I do for a business is I do a website audit. It tells me how many of Google's rules you broke. So if you need any more information about what I can do, you can either watch one of my videos on my resume and it'll show you I've ranked where this number has been over a billion for one of my current clients. Thank you for your time.